Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gardening in Easy Way. Today I am going to share a different concept with you as how you can give different looks to your money plant. Right now in the video as a mini pot of money plant is showing, and I have grown this plant through cutting which I have taken from my very old money plant. You can change the look of money plant by giving it different shape, and that is the purpose of my sharing video with you today. Right now as you can see that it has turned into a very beautiful plant, and some of the cuttings of the money plant have been extended, and these extended branches I will give a different look. So this is the purpose that I made this video on the money plant cutting. I have taken this very stick to insert inside the soil, and with this stick I will change the look of my money plant. So first of all, dig a hole inside the pot which I have done already. I am just showing you. I have already done this big hole which is of size of the stick. So you have to dig this hole where there are no roots of money plant, as I have done, so you can see. And after this what you have to do, you have to insert this stick inside this very hole. Right now I am doing. You have to do it very tightly so that it can just stuck inside the soil. Any other stick you can also take it. After this, now you can see, take this extended branch and now start coiling it around the stick so gently. You have to coil it around the stick gently, and start moving it around the stick. You have to take the thread also along with the stick. This is the very easy way by which you can give a different look to your money plant. Moreover, you can also give support to the extended branches by doing this method. So this is the best method by which you can support the extended branches of your money plant on this stick, and also you can also change the look of this very money plant. Earlier the extended branches were falling on the ground, but now I have given it a very good support with the help of this stick, and moreover the look of this money plant has also been changed. So this is the way by which you can give a different look to your money plant. It doesn't matter whether it is in the big size pot or in the small size pot. Just like you can see, I have taken the very small size pot, but despite having the small size, I have converted it into a very beautiful shaped money plant. And right now it's looking very dense than before. So this is the main purpose by which I just wanted to tell you. This is the easiest way, and you can also follow this way. And moreover, this is the very different way by which you can give the look. If you like this idea, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also very much thanks for watching my video till end.